Let's learn how you can install the Scarlet on iOS devices to install the IPA files on iPhone without PC or jailbreak. So to install the Scarlet on iOS, firstly launch Safari. And you're gonna go to this website here, applejr.net. This site might load of ads, so if you have an ad blocker, it will be very easy. Inside the website, you're gonna make sure that you are inside the installer tab. Close this ad and come back to this web page once again. While you're inside the installer tab, you're gonna find this section here, eSign, Scarlet, KSign, etc. Tap on Scarlet. You're gonna firstly install this DNS. Tap on install, allow, close. You're gonna go to settings and install the profile. Inside the settings, you'll see profile downloaded. Tap here and install this DNS profile. Install. Done. Once the DNS profile is installed, go back, launch Safari once again, and you're gonna try Scarlet files here. If one doesn't succeed to install, you're gonna try the next file. Let's try the top one. Install. Go back and check. It installs. So try to launch this. It doesn't launch. We can have to trust the enterprise developer in settings. Go to settings. And inside the VPN, DNS and device management, you'll find this enterprise app section at the bottom. Find the one that's not trusted, this one here. It's of Scarlet. Tap on trust and trust. Once it's trusted, go back. Now launch Scarlet. Now to install the IPA files, go to second tab and tap on plus at the top. Import from files. Now import any IPA files from here. For example, this one. Open. And then sign. Start signing. Tap on open. It will prompt you to install. Tap on install. Go back. And you can see it's trying to install here. It's totally installed. You can launch it now and use it. So now last but not the least, to keep this Scarlet in good and working condition, before you turn off your phone every time, you're gonna have to enable the airplane mode. And once you have turned on the iPhone, you can just disable the airplane mode and use it normally. That's the way to keep the Scarlet in good condition and prevent it from being revoked. Also, as I mentioned earlier, this website loads of ads. So if you get ad, you're gonna close the ad tab and come back to this web page once again. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.